Good morning, students. In our last video on informal letters, we tried to understand what informal letters are, whom they are written to, how they are written, what type of language or style is adopted, and what the structure of an informal letter is. In this video, we look at some examples of informal letters. This is how we start an informal letter. Informal letter में हम सबसे पहले लिखते हैं सेंडर्स नेम एंड एड्रेस, उसके बाद डेट और उसके बाद में डियर और यहाँ पर जिसको भी हम लेटर लिख रहे हैं. Then the writing style of an informal letter is exactly that, informal. जो writing style है वो informal ही होगा इसमें. It will be influenced by the person you are writing to. जिसे हम लेटर लिख रहे हैं उस पर डिपेंड करेगा कि हम किस तरह की लैंग्वेज यूज़ कर रहे हैं और किस तरह की स्टाइल या टोन हम इसमें इंक्लूड कर रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ लेटर टू एन आंट और अ ग्रैंड मदर विल बी फ्रेंडली एंड वार्म, बट यू विल प्रोबेबली पे more attention to grammatically correct expressions and appropriate language. जब हम अपने किसी आंट, अंकल, ग्रैंड मदर या अपने किसी एल्डर से बात कर रहे हैं तो हम इनफॉर्मल तो रहेंगे, फ्रेंडली एंड वार्म तो रहेंगे, इन कैजुअल टोन में बात करेंगे. प्लस हमें अपनी लैंग्वेज पर भी ध्यान देना होगा कि हमारी लैंग्वेज उनसे बात करने के लिए अप्रोप्रिएट होनी चाहिए. प्लस इट शुड बी ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट. On the other hand, a letter to a friend may include the latest slang. Slang का भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं अगर हम अपने किसी फ्रेंड से बात कर रहे हैं तो, फ्रेंड्स को लेटर लिख रहे हैं तो. The tone in an informal letter is usually conversational and friendly, but it also depends on the writer's intention. कि किस इरादे से वो लेटर लिख रहा है उस पर भी डिपेंड करता है. A letter expressing your disappointment at a friend's behavior at a party may have a serious tone, but a letter describing an exciting holiday will reflect an entertaining, light, happy tone. So इसका मतलब ये है कि this is a sort of written conversation. आप बात करते समय जिस तरह से महसूस करते हैं वही जो फील है वो राइटिंग में इनफॉर्मल लेटर में हमें देनी है. देन इन्वॉल्व द रीडर बाय कन्वेइंग द एंथुजियाज्म यू फील. वट एवर यू आर फीलिंग, जिस तरह का जोश, आनंद, उत्साह आप फील कर रहे हो वो हमें जो रिसीवर है या रीडर है उस लेटर का उसे भी फील कराना है. जोक अबाउट और रेफर टू पर्सनल मैटर्स, आप इनमें जोक्स शामिल कर सकते हैं, पर्सनल बातें लिख सकते हैं. रेफर टू मेमोरी, किसी मेमोरी का जिक्र कर सकते हैं. यू कैन इंक्वायर, यू कैन परsuade, यू कैन सीक इंफॉर्मेशन और आस्क फॉर एडवाइस. Then try not to use cliches like I am well and hope you are sailing in the same boat etc. ये थोड़ा सा फॉर्मल और ओल्ड फैशन्ड लैंग्वेज या सेंटेंस हो गया है तो इन्हें हम अवॉइड कर सकते हैं. Then end with yours sincerely, yours affectionately, your loving daughter, loving son etc. इस तरह से हम अपने लेटर का एंड करते हैं और यहाँ पर अपना नाम लिखते हैं. Let us now look at some examples of informal letters. You are Suyash और सुमन of 64 मयूर विहार दिल्ली. जैसा कि हमने किया कि इसमें सेंडर का जो एड्रेस है वो हमें लिखना होता है और इसमें इस क्वेश्चन में एड्रेस दिया हुआ है दिस वन F64 मयूर विहार दिल्ली. Your friend from Kolkata has invited you to visit him or her after your examinations are over. Write a letter to her or him expressing your inability to reach there. तो ये जो क्वेश्चन आपको पूछा गया है इसमें आपको अपने फ्रेंड को लेटर लिख के ये बताना है कि आप उसके इनविटेशन को अभी एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर सकते हो. इनएबिलिटी टू रीच देयर, आप वहाँ पर अभी नहीं जा सकते. एंड द आंसर कुड बी लाइक दिस. दिस इज सेंडर्स एड्रेस F64 मयूर विहार दिल्ली. उसके बाद में डेट, फिर डियर सोनिया और अक्षत. Many thanks for inviting me to visit you after my examinations. What a pleasure it would have been if I could be with you for some days. तो यहीं पर पता चल रहा है कि इनएबिलिटी एक्सप्रेस की जाने वाली है नेक्स्ट पैरा में. आई एम सॉरी टू इन्फॉर्म यू दैट आई विल नॉट बी able to come to Kolkata after the examinations are over, as I intend to join a computer graphics course during the holidays. I have already got myself registered for the course and have paid the fees. As you know, I wish to pursue a career in advertising, and this break between classes seemed a good time to pursue the course. So, this is the body of the letter divided into three paragraphs. This one, then this one, or closing. I promise to visit you during the puja break when Kolkata will be at its best. This is the closing part of the body of the letter. Complimentary close में with love, yours sincerely, Sukesh or Suman. Another example where you are Sparsh Juneja, a resident student in XYZ School, Bangalore, write a letter to your mother describing your new school and hostel life. तो यहाँ पर आपको एड्रेस लिखना है, रूम नंबर 14 बॉयज हॉस्टल XYZ School, Bangalore, and then leave a blank line, then date, leave a blank line, and then dear mother. This is the salutation part. और उसके बाद में आपको जो मेन कंटेंट है वो लिखना है. That is, I am fine here and hope this letter finds you in good health. I am enjoying my new school and hostel life, though sometimes I feel homesick, but your words of advice always help me overcome the feeling. I believe this school is one of the best that I could have gone to. This is the body of the letter. We have the best facilities at our disposal, be it the playground, the gymnasium, or the lush green lawns. The teachers are very learned, affectionate, and efficient. My classmates are helpful and fun to be with. In a nutshell, all I want to say is that you need not worry about me as I am in good hands. Please convey my regards to Dad and love to Sunaina, your loving son. ये सब्सक्रिप्शन हुआ, क्लोजिंग लाइन हुई, एंड देन सेंडर्स नेम. Another example is, you are Nina Rao, write a letter to your friend Satya telling her about the first abroad trip you are going to take with your parents. So your answer could be like this. यहाँ पर sender का name, then date, और एक blank line के बाद में salutation, dear Satya. It's been quite some time that we last met. How have you been? How are your singing classes going? I am fine and really very excited. Finally, I am going on my first abroad trip. Isn't it fantastic? My parents and I are going to Singapore for almost 10 days. Think of it. I'll see entirely new country, a new culture, meet new people and get a taste of new cuisines. When my father told me about the trip, immediately I set about planning the whole itinerary. I wanted to share this exciting news with you. I will write after returning from Singapore and let you know about my experiences. Please convey my regards to your parents. और उसके बाद में subscription, your loving friend and sender's name. Next question is about writing a letter of congratulations for someone's success. यहाँ पर sender का address, then date, फिर salutation or greetings, dear Preeti. I heard the news of you holding first rank in the class. I feel really happy and proud of you. I would like to congratulate you for the same. I know you must have done a lot of hard work for it and finally you have achieved what you wanted. I am hoping that you achieve all the success in future. Keep it up. Also, we'll try to meet you in person and congratulate you. If we meet ever, we'll surely celebrate for your success. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Take care with love, Pooja. Now, this is an invitation letter for a birthday party. Address, then date, salutation, dear Preeti. I am writing this letter to invite you for my birthday party, which will be celebrated on 30th June. The party will be conducted in my Lonawala's farmhouse. It will begin at 6 p.m. in the evening. the complete address of the venue लिखना है. If you have any confusion regarding the address, you can directly call me on my phone number. It's been a long time since we have seen each other, and I'll be really very happy if you can attend my birthday party. Waiting to meet you soon. Take care, with love. Now, this is an informal letter just to ask for the well-being of a person. Simply हालचाल पूछने के लिए ये लेटर लिखा गया है. Let us zoom in. सबसे पहले address, then date, then dear Mishra. Hope you are safe and protected from the outbreak of the virus. It's been a long time since I wrote to you. Due to the pandemic, I am working from home and writing for you just to know how you are doing. Everything is fine here, and we are staying indoors due to the growing number of active cases. It's pretty mundane staying indoors all the time, but I stopped complaining and started utilizing time effectively by doing my favorite things. How did you manage your work during the pandemic? Once this pandemic goes away and things get back to normal, I would meet you soon. Hope to hear from you. Love, Sumant. Next example is, you are enjoying your summer vacation at your grandparents' home in a village and playing lots of fun sports with your cousins. Write a letter to your friend sharing your experience. तो ये भी informal letter है. Sender का name and address, then date or greetings or salutation. Dear Gautam, how are you doing? I'm having a great time here in Kerala with my grandparents and cousins. It's been more than 2 weeks since we arrived at our grandparents' home, and I haven't had a single moment of boredom ever since. You know what? I have 5 cousins here and they are more or less the same age as me. तो यहाँ पे बहुत ही conversational tone का हमें hint मिल रही है. Our day starts at around 6 a.m. और यहाँ पर पूरी बात कही गई है कि हम किस तरह से अपना टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं सब मिलके. And then I hope you are also having a great vacation there in Jaipur. See you soon. Cheers, Arjun. तो कन्वर्सेशनल स्टाइल में ये लेटर लिखा गया है. So these were the examples of informal letters. You can practice by writing answers to the questions on informal letters we did in our last video.